Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chanel if you're new here. If you're not new, well, thank you for coming back. So in today's video we are going to be playing with the new Juvia'S Place, the Nubian Glow Palette. Just to let you guys know. So as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and clean up my brows. I already did my brows off camera. We just cleaning them up, and if you've been watching me for a while, you guys know my favorite brow pomade. So here is the new palette, the Nubian Glow, and I'm just showing you guys what shade I'm going in with first. Now this, I want you to know now, it's taking me a while to upload this video because I was waiting for some stuff to come in, but that's besides the point. I'm just gonna let you guys watch and see what I'm doing. And what I noticed in this palette is that is not basically the second shade I'm using as a transition shade. That's more of a yellow, and the very first shade I used is more of an orange. Now I really do like the two shades that I did try out from this palette. I end up going in with some more shades. Y'all will see that. I'm gonna let you guys watch, and then I'm gonna intervene when I need to. Yes, I did a cut crease, y'all. I had to, okay? There's certain things you just gotta do in life. And a cut crease with this palette was one of them. I just didn't want to show all that. Now in this part here, I was trying to do something, and I realized the shade I used was a glitter. Yeah, as you can see by the expression on my face. So what you do to one side, you need to go ahead and do to the next. Don't worry, next clip, I am going to fix it with some shimmers in here, okay? I moved on from the pressed glitter and went to the shimmers, and I'm going to let you watch. So I thought I would jump back in and let you guys know I wanted to try more than one shimmer on my lid, so that's why you see me using a second one towards the inner portion of my lid. I will say, trying out this new palette, I am in love with Juvia'S Place, okay? I love their stuff. I love it, love it. So now you guys see me use my e.l.f. jelly primer. I haven't used this baby in so long. Why? Because I'm about to show you these right here. Yeah, y'all. I finally bit the bullet and bought me this. I got the powder, I got me the foundation, and I got me the concealer. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you my foundation I picked up. I picked up the shade Campula. I believe it's Capula. Number is 340. Yeah, my face expression, because I put too much on my hand. I was talking and I was talking to hubby at the same time. So I'm gonna let you guys watch me do my foundation as I try to figure out if I picked the right shade. So moving on to concealer. So the concealer shade I chose was number 11. Didn't know if I want to do like a super highlighted concealer or more of a skin tone one. So I figured I would choose one that I can actually wear every day to work or every day in life that wasn't too brightening. Now we're going to jump into my Dose of Colors concealer that came in a previous BoxyCharm, and we're using that to cream contour today because, you know, I chose the wrong shade and I can't use it for under my eyes or to color correct, so it is a cream contour product for me. Jumping back in with this e.l.f. concealer here, we're going to go ahead and add a little more, we need some more highlight. We need to highlight just underneath the eyes just a tad bit more. So that's what you see me doing. Now jumping into this powder here, I was so excited to get my hands on this, and I actually picked up the shade Kahari. It is a pretty shade, but you don't want to shake too much out with the cap on because then you get a buttload of it in the cap. That was something I realized by accident. But I love how this sit on the face or sat right underneath my eyes and how it set down my concealer. It set it down so nicely, you guys. And I was loving this. I really was. Now we jumping in with Black Radiance. Now, I will let you guys know I am not done with my eyes. Of course, you guys kind of figured that part out. But, you know, I'm going to come back to my eyes. But as you can see, we're going to chisel out my nose. We're going to add some bronzer, some, you know, all that yummy good stuff to my face. We're going to go ahead and set down my cream contour too at the same time, y'all. Yeah, so that highlight in this palette was not giving me what I needed, what I wanted. Don't worry, y'all. We ended up switching it. We went to Fenty, okay? This isn't Hustler, baby. We just went ahead and we used this to add that highlightedness that I needed to my face. Can y'all see the difference now? It's like it's really popping. It's popping. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Then we got to do this, of course. We got to do some mascara. I did add a little bit of black liner to my waterline and my upper lash line. Of course, that was all off camera. As I'm talking to my little sister on the phone, FaceTime, y'all, we jumped into Beauty Bakery. Gonna add some blush. We're gonna be like, ooh, y'all, because we can't be looking all flat and stuff, right? Ooh, y'all, I'm talking way too much. Y'all, I'm just playing. I ain't done talking. We jumping in with the lip products. We got ColourPop BFF3, and then I also pulled out a oldie, but it's from Note Cosmetics, and it's I'm not even gonna tell you what the shade is. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you. It's in the shade Rose, but like I said before, you can't find them no more, so I'm not gonna tell y'all. We jumping up into this lip gloss right here by Persona in the shade Honey. It is a gloss. Like I said, it's in the shade Honey, and honey, don't it look so good? Look at that. You just want to eat it. So, you know, I had to show you guys a clip, you know, of how I put on my lashes. I use my fingers, and it's just a lot more easier for me. I'm sorry, y'all. Alright, y'all, so here is the finished look. This is how the entire look came out. I did go back and add a little bit of the two of the very first shades I used from this palette underneath my lower lash line. Now, I am going to apologize to y'all because, you know, the thumbnail picture ain't going to be all that because I forgot to pose for my thumbnail picture. But, you know, I did take some pictures on my cell phone for Instagram, y'all. Of course I did. And then I was just trying to get my hair right. You know, it's kind of hard to do all this with, you got hubby to the side of you checking you out at the same time. Girl, I know it's a lot of info. Anyways, as y'all can see, I'm just loving myself. By the way, if you guys are curious about the headphones, I was watching YouTube and I couldn't find my other my iPhone earphones, so I had to use my computer to watch. Okay, but thank you so much for watching. If you guys are new here, my name is Chanel. Please go ahead and consider subscribing, and I'll catch you guys again in another video. I may not upload next week, but I'm just gonna let you know now, just to make sure you have your bell notifications on. Later.